Did you know you can fully control your Android phone from your PC? You can use your mouse and keyboard, play mobile games, record your screen, or simply mirror your phone to your computer and use your phone like a console. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. Let's begin. First, make sure both your phone and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important, or the connection will not work. Now, open Settings on your phone. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Next, tap Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times. If prompted, enter your password or PIN. You'll then see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and you'll now see developer options. Tap on it. Inside developer options, scroll down to the debugging section. Turn on wireless debugging. If this is your personal or home Wi-Fi, select always allow on this network, then tap allow. Now, open your Wi-Fi settings. Tap the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Tap View More. Scroll down and you'll see your phone's IP address. Take note of this. We'll need it shortly. Again, confirm that both your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. On your computer, open a browser and search for scarcpy. Click on the GitHub page. Scroll down to the Get Apps section. Download the version for your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac. I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'll download that version. Next, open a new browser tab and search for SDK Platform Tools. Download the platform tools for your computer as well. Once both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and unzip them. Open the scarcpy folder and copy all the files inside it. Now open the SDK Platform Tools folder and paste the files there. Choose Replace Files in Destination if prompted. Inside the SDK Platform Tools folder, hold the Shift key, then right-click anywhere in the folder. Select Open PowerShell window here. If you don't get any error, you're good to continue. However, if you see an error, it's usually because your computer username contains a space. In that case, close PowerShell, right-click the folder again, and select Open in Terminal instead. In the terminal, type the following command, adb connect. Now go back to your phone and enter the IP address you noted earlier. Press Enter. On your computer, you'll see a pop-up. Click Allow. On your phone, you'll also get a prompt asking to allow USB debugging. Tap Allow. This step is required so your PC can control your phone using the mouse and keyboard. You'll also hear your phone's audio through your PC speakers. If the connection is successful, you'll see a message that says Connected. Now go back to the SDK Platform Tools folder and double-click the spy.exe file. And just like that, your phone screen appears on your PC. You can now control your Android phone using your mouse and keyboard. scarcpy can do much more than screen mirroring. You can record your screen, control volume, and capture gameplay. I personally use it to record mobile gameplays. I made a separate video explaining scarcpy features in detail. You can click on the screen right now to watch it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching.